Hello, happy Monday. I am here back with another share with you all. Um, I have received this package and I was super excited to come and share what I have received. I have not opened it up yet, but I did want to go ahead and share. We are outside. You guys know sometimes I like to come outside and do videos if I'm working from home. So let me go ahead and jump into what we have. As you can see, this did come from Amazon. So I am super excited to receive this item. And let's go ahead and get into it and take a look and see what it is I got. So this is how I received it, all packaged up like so. As you can see, this is a big box. So, it's a big bag. Let me know what you think or you guys think I received. I love to hear it before I actually put it up here. So she is a big mama jamma. So here we are. As you can see, it is a Coach bag. You guys know that is one of my favorite brands. And this particular bag is one of my favorite silhouettes as well with Coach. Let's go ahead and get it. I actually have a couple of these, but I don't have this particular size. So let's go ahead and jump into what I got and why I got this particular bag. Okay. So as you can see, she is fully wrapped, which you guys know I love. Let's go ahead and get her out. Look at this. So, as you know, I did go and try to get I had purchased the Empire in the size 40 in the beautiful olive green. I did return it because the 40 is too big, and here's the number if anyone's interested. But for some reason, you guys, this olive had me in a hole, and I wanted to get something that I liked and I would be able to carry with my size, as far as 5'1", small frame. So I decided, when I seen this post on Amazon, I decided I wanted to get this bag. That I waited. I wanted to see what all was coming in the olive green, and this is one of the items. Now I know you all have seen the olive green, and you guys are going to know why I got this bag when I opened her up. It is kind of a complaint that I had with the Empire, but they did it right on this one. So let's go in, and this is the regular size. This is not the small Lana size 23. So let me go ahead and continue to unwrap her and unstuff her. She is gorgeous, and I am already excited. And like I said, you guys, I do not have her in this size. I have her all in size 23s. I have 3 other colors. And I do not have this particular size. So I decided to do something different. I still wanted to have where I can put my laptops and different things in, but it would be suitable to my size and height. So let's go ahead. You know, she is the regular silhouette as a Lana bag. She has that beautiful gold. See, I love the Lana because it's simple, but beautiful and gorgeous. Now, this is a difference with my size 23s. If you have a size 23 Lana, you know that it does not have feet. This one, because it is large, it has feet, which I love, you guys. I love that I have feet on this one. Okay? The handles are all the same. There's just a couple of differences in this bag between the sizes, okay? You have the green tag, like so. But you guys, I'm so excited. And I'm so excited because this, I know some of you was like, well, no one's going to see the inside. I am. And I keep telling you, it's my bag. I'm going to love it. This is what I want. It's just the combination. Look at this combo. This is what I was expecting in my Empire. This beautiful color. So This kind of made my ultimate decision, not just my decision on why I didn't keep the 40, but the 40 is too big for me. But also there were some other things. They had stayed on, they showed that this would look like this, and it did not. This just this beautiful amber color inside. The contrast on this bag with the two colors is gorgeous. Oh my God. Now, with the Lana, there is the larger Lana, it does have a zip. That is something different. With the size 23, it's just a magnet that keeps the center divided. This one inside actually has a zip. It comes with the dust bag. And let me just continue to take this item out so that you can see. They stuffed her well, as always. That's the one thing Coach is known for. And also inside, it has that same color within. Now, there is a difference. The inside of here is just strictly leather, as you know, with the Lana, but inside pouch, it actually has cloth. And inside, also another difference that I'm noticing. Let me see if I can turn it so you guys can see. It actually has a slip pocket, a button slip pocket inside my center pouch. So that is the difference between the Lana 23 and the regular size Lana. You guys, she's a keeper. She's not going anywhere. She is gorgeous. And I can throw her on my shoulder and still have that beautiful green color. I mean, I'm hoping the picture, because I'm outside, I'm hoping the natural lighting is really picking up this gorgeous color, because it is gorgeous. I mean, look, I am super excited to have her. So I wanted to come and share with you guys really, really fast. And like I said, it does have the gold hardware. It does have the patch here in the inside of the pouch. I'm hoping you guys can see this. The Lana, if you know, it does not go all the way. You can have things, it doesn't go all the way down the pouch, so you can have some somewhat sliding on the side as well as underneath. But this is just a gorgeous, beautiful silhouette. And this is one of the bags that Coach just can't go wrong on. And you can still decorate her and still do the things that you need with this, as I do. So yeah, tell me, you guys, what you think. Do you like this one? Do you understand the concept of my inside? Even if you don't, this is my madness of my bags. But like I said, this is gorgeous. And so she is added, a new added piece to my collection. I did not want to get another size 23 because again, I wanted to be able to use this as a bag that I can throw my laptop and iPad around and still be able to move around. And she's just simply a shoulder bag. So I don't have a crossbody, which is different. Now that is another difference. Now that I say that, the original, the small one comes with a crossbody option. This one does not. So this is strictly shoulder only, which she's obviously too big to crossbody. But I don't know, because again, you have the Empires being crossbody, so you could have that, but this is strictly shoulder. So yeah, I'm super excited. So again, I love the light lining of the green. The contrast is the olive green, but then you have the thread of the bag it's a lighter green, very gorgeous bag. So I wanted to come and share with you guys quickly. Nothing super long, just the bag of the day that I received. Add this to my birthday collection because again, I did not get the green olive bag and I wanted that color. They're actually coming out with some bags that's in multiple shades of, well, not multiple shades of olive, but other bags in olive. So I'm interested to see. I do have my eye on another. So currently she is here to stay unless I see something different that has really caught my eye. But this is what I wanted to be able to do the things that I needed. So, thank you guys for coming by and spending a little time with me. Like I said, I'm outdoors. If you know, every now and then I like to do videos outside because I like sitting out here and listening to the birds and the bees and everything else that you can hear. So, I hope you guys have an amazing week. Again, my continual message is to be kind and have a blessed week. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.